he's got a tremendous understanding of the world and the geopolitical landscape that we have now.
And so he's giving military advice in there?
No, it's not giving advice. Part of this is analysis. It's about the intelligence that comes in and the analysis that comes out of that. Having key decision makers and the chief strategist for the United States, for the president, to come in and talk about what the strategy is going forward is crucial.
I am worried about the National Security Council, who are the members of it and who are the permanent members. The appointment of Mr. Bannon is something which is a radical departure from any National Security Council in history.
Adding people to the National Security Council never really bothers me. My biggest concern is there are actually, under the law, only 2 statutory advisors to the National Security Council, and that's the Director of Central Intelligence, or the DNI, and the Chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff. I think pushing them out of the National Security Council meetings, except when their specific issues are at stake, is a big mistake.